Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize dropshipping with Squarespace step by step clearly. First, begin by creating an account on Squarespace. Choose a suitable plan that meets your business needs. Select a template that aligns with your brand identity. Customize the template by adding your logo and adjusting color schemes. Create essential pages like the home, shop, about, and contact pages. Set up product categories that reflect your offerings. Add individual products with clear descriptions and high-quality images. Ensure each product listing includes pricing information and shipping details. Integrate payment options that are convenient for your customers. Optimize your site for SEO by using relevant keywords in titles and descriptions. Use tags and categories to enhance site visibility in search engines. Set up a domain name that is easy to remember and reflects your brand. Connect your dropshipping supplier to Squarespace using appropriate plugins. Configure inventory settings to automatically update stock levels. Establish clear return policies and shipping times for customer transparency. Enable SSL certificates to secure customer data during transactions. Test your online store by placing a few trial orders. Monitor site performance and user experience for any issues. Gather feedback from initial customers to identify areas for improvement. Adjust your marketing strategy based on customer engagement and analytics. Update your product listings regularly to keep content fresh and appealing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.